Like right now it's 1 o'clock. We're up about $75 for the day when it comes to VIP sales. As you can see, for the day, closed off about $693 bands after adding the contracts. Just closed. I'm gonna lie, it's definitely already 9:30. I was editing one of the videos, the Miami vlog part 2, and I forgot that I had to take a shower before we hopped on the session. We're here now, and while I get everything all set up, good morning everybody. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to another day where I try to make money and I just show you guys my life as a trader, my life as an entrepreneur. But right now, I'm trying to get everything all up. I gotta join the VIP Trading Network. Yeah, we're gonna get active, but I'll see you guys in the charts. I'll see you with the team. Let me just get all this organized. I'm trying to see what's up. So far, first thing I notice is possible maybe shorts from this previous high on NAS. What's 30 doing? 30 also looks like it ran a high. Everything's short-term bearish, not bearish, bullish, but I could definitely see it trying to have a movement off this high. I can see it. What are y'all in? Are y'all in shorts? Copying, yeah, I like the idea. Yeah, because NAS definitely looks bullish. Like I can see NAS, if it wants to, just continuing to push bullishly. Maybe have a retracement to like the 1 hour gap that it just left type thing. But 30, I can see 30 giving it a little pullback. 30, I'm gonna see you come a little lower. And if you don't, then I have no trade so far for the day. Now, yes, coming into the gap right now. Ideally, I wanna get it. I'm trying to have it tap into it so I can get these longs with a 50-point stop loss targeting that New York high. But I want it to tap a little bit. I want it to tap that 50% of the range at least wick that low. Come on, NAS, not NAS 30. There we go. Yeah, I just got in a 30 longs this year, 50-point stop loss. Let's see, first trade of the day. It's a little bit earlier, but I'd rather have an early entry than miss my whole entry. Almost hit TP1 and we came back to draw it now. Now we're at the gap I was originally watching, but we're just watching. Get the recording before this should hit my stop loss. A great trade idea, immediately gone bad. So close. Look at that. We almost had TP1 and all and shit immediately died. Yeah, right now I'm off VIP. I'm still watching this area because this is still the area I was watching. I watch it on my other account since I have multiple, as you can see. But we're gonna see. At the end of the day, it looks like it stopped me just to play out, unfortunately. But I'll let you know if I take a trade on another account or not. Yeah, it's just like this trade idea I'm watching at that 4 hour gap right here. That's really what I've been wanting to see play out with price holding, but it looks like it wants to fill it in going into 11. So it is what it is. I'll keep y'all updated. And this is my last trade of the day. I'm going along from the daily open gap at the 4 hour where it just closed, where I showed you guys 2 contracts. And this is where I just leave it. Best case scenario, we run this high, which is the target. Ideal scenario, we just hit TP2, but only time will tell. All right, this trade is about to go, it's back at break even right now. We were just in drawdown. We're up about 80 bucks, 95 bucks on the funded account, as you guys can see. But as you see, the time's 11:45 and I'm about to slide on my girl break. Finna spark up that, you know what I'm saying? But I just gotta wait for this trade to play out. So then when I come back, hopefully the trade's already over with so I don't gotta worry about it no more. And then I can just slide to the gym. From there, gotta post this video, get it all out there, get it scheduled for 8 o'clock. This video is gonna be tomorrow's. Everything's kind of fucked up, but like I said in the beginning of the video, one of these days is gonna be a double upload. I don't know which one, but one of them is. So just enjoy the video. I gotta go on this drive. Yo, this is how hot it be in Florida. Bro, do you see how foggy these are? I hopped in my car and they immediately fogged all the way up. Like, I can't see nothing. The camera lens is probably all foggy too, I ain't gonna lie. But I was also gonna let you guys know, I was just thinking, because the last like 2-3 days seeing all these exotic cars had me wanting a new car crazy, but I know I'm not gonna be getting my new car yet. The car that I'm gonna be getting is gonna be the AMG GT53. Ideally, maybe the 43, but the 53 is what I really want, so that's what my goal is on right now. But I was thinking, because I know I'm going to move first. I'm going to get a new apartment. I want to move to my skyrise, a little penthouse before I get a new car. I don't really care to have a new car right now. The car I got right now is perfectly fine. I have zero problems with it, and it's definitely a car that I can keep for a little bit until I can at least make sure I'm financially stable enough to get a nice car like an AMG 53 without having to worry about paying the car payment, without having to worry about paying too much money for gas. Because with a car like that, I'm going to be driving in sport mode. So I'm going to be spending more money on gas. I'm going to be spending more money on insurance. All these different things, I want to make sure I am good before anything. And I just want my apartment first. I want to have that sky rise. I want to have that view. And I could definitely have that view and still have this car and be content. But I'm thinking, what I'm probably going to do with this car, I'm thinking I'm going to wrap it. I want to wrap it matte silver. And then I also want to get a new exhaust. I thought about maybe straight piping it or something, but I'm either between like a straight pipe or just buying an exhaust so I don't try to fuck up anything with the car, so it can sound as natural as possible without like having it sound like a fucking Honda Civic. I don't want it to sound like that. I want it to sound good. But that's what I'm thinking. I'm probably going to have those upgrades probably within like a couple months, more than likely before I move to the apartment, just so it can give me that new feel of like, yeah, this feels like something else, even though it's not. It'll give me the time I need to keep working, the motivation and inspiration to actually get that new car after I get the apartment. But I thought I'd let you guys know. But like I said, I'm about to slide to my gross break. Next time you see me is either going to be when that trade is, wherever it's at with the updated trade, or stay tuned. Our day's just getting started. It's only 12. We got the whole day ahead of us though. All right, we back at the crib, and right now we up a little bit. Not at TP. I took the lines off because that shit was fucking my head up because it wasn't at the right spot, and I didn't want to have it at the right area when I was moving, and I didn't want to try to edit it. But this is the trade right now. On the other account, I'm also, let me get the other account. I'm in longs on the other account also with better entry. About to hit 800 on it, but we're waiting for the high, ideally. About to break even, matter of fact. One thing I don't want this week to be, I don't want this to be another week where I have to take 3 trades just to get one win. Even if those 1 wins make back those losses, I don't like those conditions. I like when I can catch 1 trade, be done. I like when I can take 1 loss and be done. But a lot of the times, especially the last like week or two, all of the trades I've been taking have been consolidating, stopping me out just to play out anyway. It's not like I've been really wrong. There has been situations where I just been 100% wrong, but a lot of the times I do be right on the bias, but the only thing that be wrong is the timing, when it's gonna move. It's been a lot of like later in the day, like right now it's 1 o'clock, and that's when my trade is actually playing out. It's not what I like. I don't like that. I like prime New York session, but you got to be able to adapt. That's the main thing about trading. You got to be able to adapt. If you can't adapt, you won't be able to make money. If you can't adapt, you won't be able to consistently make money. If you can't adapt, you might be able to win a few trades, but you won't be able to consistently make profit, make money for the month, for the year, for the years. That's what you got to worry about. So this right now, this part of the vlog is being recorded on my phone. And what you're probably asking, why not my camera? Because I'm editing the vlog that you probably watched yesterday or this morning or last night. I still don't know when it's going to be posted, but I'm editing it. Look. But while I'm here waiting for it to upload, since I can't take the SD card out while the trade is slowly playing out, I want to explain to you the reasoning. So originally when I got into the trade, I got into longs right around this area up here. And you can see what happened. Price ended up coming down, wicking me out, running the London session low, ran the Asian session low. From there, grabbed the liquidity, and it looks like that's what it wanted to do to keep pushing. If you see that line over here, this line was that 4-hour for value gap that I was originally looking to also get into, but I only use a 50-point stop loss like max, and this you can see dropped about 50 points. So if I wouldn't have had the perfect entry, I wouldn't have got it, and I did not have the perfect entry. My entry was somewhere right above here, so that wick unfortunately stopped me out. But we were able to get back a re-entry later on around maybe 11:30, 12 o'clock. I forget the exact time, but we're just holding the trade, and right now we're up about 12:35, looking to aim for this high right now. But we'll see what happens. We're moving. Okay. We moving. But shut your ass up, nigga. Shut up. But look at this. We moving. We up 1,200. We about to hit that high. TP is approaching, and everybody else is also in the longs. Come on. We got Kel got in the longs. Who else was in longs? I know Ashley just got out. We got Mont. Mont is also in the longs. He's up 250. Oh my God, he's in the longs too. Look like he has school. Yo, who else? Oh, Ashley. Ashley for the day. She's up 1,500 on her challenge. Good work, good work. And he hit stop loss. I feel you, bro. I hit stop loss earlier. But nah, the team eating. The team is eating. And I'm about to be eating with them. No kids. Price is moving. We're going for that TP. We're probably up like 15. We're about to be at 1,500 right now. You guys saw the beginning clips, but I just got the vlog edited, not uploaded, but soon. This TP should be hitting soon. I'm gonna continue doing what I'm doing. I just want to keep you guys updated. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close the trade on my funded account, and I'm just gonna hold the trade on my challenge. I don't feel like holding this, so I'm gonna close it. Try to close it at 14. There we go, closing it at 14. Oh, almost. Come on, go back to 14 so I can close you. Go up like $10 so you can cover the commission. Come on, you went to 15. You can go to 30 forward. Just closed. And now I'm going to simply wait for this trade to play out a little bit longer. This one is up 17.55. So as you can see for the day, we closed off about 690 in total after the loss. Can't complain. A dub is a dub. We're just gonna hold the challenge account and see what happens with that one. Looks like I closed it just for it to keep going a little higher, but it's all good. We gonna have the trade hit on this account. Right now we're up 2,000 on the challenge. Once we get to this high, the trade is gonna close. We're coming up. TP is about to get hit on this trade. I could have held for a couple seconds on the funded, but it's all good. We're up 2,100. This trade's probably gonna be like a 23, 24. Nah, probably like 24, 25, honestly. All right, so I just added another position. I added 2 more contracts in at this 1 hour for value gap on US30, looking for it to still target these highs. It created this wick near this high, which I want to use as an area to target. And if it doesn't play out, it'll just be L. But this is a challenge account. I don't care as much as my funded. That is why I took profit on the funded. But we're going to see. I'm thinking this is just a retracement to continue going higher. So let's see if we can get this money. What up? Back with the car talk. Right now, I'm just looking at everything. So far, we're up about $75 for the day. When it comes to VIP sales, I think that was 3 people that used the discount. So if you want to join VIP for half off, make sure you use the code in the description. We closed the funded trade at 690, as you guys saw. And the reason I closed it was because I was already up a 1 to 2. And I just didn't see the point of trying to hold it, especially I looked at the time and it said 222. So I took it as a sign and I cut it. But right now, we're still waiting for the other trade to hit right now. Patience. Patience is key. And I think this is my girl right here. Oh, she's trying to get in. Let's see what she says. Alright, so as you guys can see, we just hit 3 bands after adding the contracts. And this is where I'm closing it all out. Don't tell me it closed at 29. It just got a wick. No. It should be like 2,000 for the day. No. The main reason I wanted to add the contracts is because I didn't want to be able to have to hold this up there. Since I averaged in contracts, I was able to get out with the profit target before the actual target. Risk Management 101. Done by 4 o'clock. This one is after or before? Before. You order it? But we about to go get some tacos. I feel like I always record tacos of some way. Tacos are Mexican food in general. Chipotle, tacos. Yesterday was the jerk food. The jerk food, yeah, the jerk food. I don't think I recorded the jerk food, nah. I just took a picture of it. So they don't even know what the jerk food was, but it was the food that I got at the Aventura Mall. I told them I was gonna go get food. I never showed what it was. It went from food to road trip, to us leaving. Got the food. Yeah, but we about to go get tacos. And we got the goods. I got a soda. What flavor even is that? Open this 10. Churros. Sauces. Look at that. Now I'm about to dig in. And this is where we're gonna come to an end. Overall, today was a good day. We made $690. We probably made over $700 if I include how much I made from VIP, how much I made from trading, how much I made from YouTube. I probably made over
$700. I don't know the exact number just because I haven't done the numbers at this moment. But this is where the video is going to come to an end. If you guys want to sign up for VIP, make sure you click the link in the description. But if you don't want to join the community, you want to just get better and get a better understanding of trading, make sure you check out the free trading course where you can learn everything from 0 all the way to 100 on how I personally trade and everything I know about the market completely free inside the course. So make sure you go check that out. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know how the trade was. Let me know if you took any trades today, how your day was. And overall, make sure you stay tuned for the next video that's going to be posted about an hour after this one. So once you get this done, go to the bathroom, take a shower, go eat, do whatever you do, because the next video is about to be posted. Stay safe, stay productive. I'm about to get to work.